Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update from DRDO. When you will go to the official website of drdo.gov.in, here you can see one advertisement for the award of Junior Research Fellowship JRF 2024 at CVRDE Chennai. Okay, it's already started to filling the form. The last date will be 9th July. When you will click here, you can see the detailed advertisement. So let's come to the detailed advertisement. Alright, so here this is for the CVRED, that is Combat Vehicle Research and Development Establishment. Okay, DRDO. So they are going to recruit for the Junior Research Fellowship JRF. So how many vacancies are there? 28. Number of vacancies 28. Online applications are invited as per the format given in form. Okay, we will see for selection of Junior Research Fellowship in the following disciplines. So first number of vacancies are 28 here. Let's have a look. Mechanical engineering 13 vacancies, electronics and communication engineering 9 vacancies, and electrical and electronics engineering 4 vacancies we are having, and one more is there, computer science engineering 2 vacancies are there. Now let's have a look. What is the requirement? Essential qualification BE BTech with first division from a recognized university with valid GATE scorecard. Yes, without GATE scorecard is not applicable. Here with valid GATE scorecard. Now it's not mentioned which year GATE scorecard they want. Okay, if you are having a GATE scorecard, you are eligible. Okay, for any year. Now remuneration is also mentioned here. Okay, if you are not having this one, or ME MTech with first division both at graduate and postgraduate level is also eligible. Second thing here the remuneration, so rupees 37,000 per month. Okay, then a stipend, or you can see fellowship emolument. HR and medical facilities shall be admissible as per the rules. Fellowship is initially for a period of 2 years and extendable as per rules. So this is not a fixed, this is not a permanent job. This is a fixed term basis job for initially 2 years. Okay, after that if the requirement is there, or according to your work also, they will just increase it. Okay, it is possibility, it's not surely. Now when I'm coming to the next thing here, so age limit for candidates for unreserved, this is not more than 28 year, OBC not more than 31 year, SC ST not more than 33 year. Okay, nationality Indians only required here. How to apply? You can just the filled in application form. Okay, it's mentioned here also, along with the relevant documents shall be sent to the following address. You need to just send, this is the offline which you need to send. Okay, you need to fill this form. It's mentioned here in the last also, I will show you. Okay, you need to fill that form here. This is the form, and you need to send it by post, or okay, here at the given address. Alright, so it's mentioned here, candidates sending application by post should write application for JRF recruitment 2024 on the top of the envelope. Okay, the next is document required, mentioned here. Now what is the criteria? So written test and interview at CVRDE. Okay, the date, time and venue of the written test and interview will be directly intimated to the shortlisted candidate directly. Okay, via email. Candidates are required to produce original certificates or testimonial at the time of the interview. So this is the written test and interview is also there, but first they will shortlist you on the basis of your GATE scorecard. Okay, candidate shortlisted from written test will be required to attend an interview also. Okay, written test is objective type of all eligible candidates will be conducted after verification of certificate or testimonials only. All right, so now what is the selection process? That it's mentioned again, the shortlisted candidates on the basis of BE BTech or ME MTech marks will appear for the written test at CVRDE Awadi Chennai. Okay, candidates who do not qualify the written test will not be considered for the interview. In addition to the above, any other selection tool test may be administered, so it depends on them only. Okay, and the next important point is here, I think no TADA will be paid for the attending the written test and interview or for joining if selected. The decision of the committee. Okay, clear. So general instructions are mentioned here. The applicants should ensure their eligibility criteria and respect of age essential qualification also. So again this is very important na. It's happened lots of the time students applied okay without just checking whether they are eligible or not. So please dear students, whatever the application, whatever the form you are going to fill in the future also, you need to be take care of this one ki whether all the conditions you read very carefully or not, and you are just satisfying those condition or not. Okay, so only those candidates who have awarded degree or provisional certificate are eligible to apply. So no final year is possible here. Those who were already awarded JRF position, so okay, this is not eligible. I think this is simple. Shortlisted candidates only have to attend the written test and interview along with a copy of intimation. Okay, so I think here it's mentioned the process also, so please check it out. Important email contact detail is also mentioned here. Please check it out. This is the form and you need to just fill, you need to send it by the last date is 9th July 2024, my dear students. All right, so please check it out. The detailed advertisement also at the official website. Thank you.